Good morning. Arf. Good afternoon. That's crazy talk. The only time exists that it's in America right now. Madam Fabulous, good morning. What are you doing up? You always up this early? Crazy talk. Tis but a flesh wound. Maybe I'm not talking. Maybe I'm pretending to talk. Good morning, Amir. Hope you're staying safe. Thank you for the posture check. OBS being crazy. Mind Mastery over on YouTube. Thank you for holding it down. Frankie, good to see you. How's it going? How's the job? Practice typing. That shit's still out there? You're cut off. How many things are you going to redeem? Huntress is another good one. Hawk's Hunt. Yeah, shame. I'm not on my VM. Loaf, good morning. Amir, I hope you're finding time for yourself as well, too.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
MacBook Air M5? Sophia Carmen, good morning. How are you doing today? Hello. Welcome to the channel. I go by Thea. Theo, let me know if Sophia works for you. Frankie, congratulations. You finished your cybersecurity 101 on Try Hack Me. You think you're a little bit beyond that. What made you want to do the 101? Did you pay for that? Oh shit, is this like new? From March. I mean, I think it's more than capable of a web pen test for yeah, I think it's more than capable for a web pen test. but I've never used Apple. I don't know if you can load the appropriate tools on it. You know what I mean? Can you get Burp Suite on it? I am protesting Try Hack Me. They denied me my affiliate application. They must be pissed that all I'm doing lately is HackTheBox. Sophia Carmen, did you tell me what you're up to today? Anyways, and if I miss you, Sophia, there's that's a little bit about me. I try to get going early enough to like catch the West Coast people before they go to bed. Oh, see, all right, well, Amir, if it runs Burp, then maybe that was you. Maybe like if but I mean, like the price on this thing can't be cheap. Do I have a? Excuse me. Do I have an Amazon drop down? I do. Nope. I mean, I love the fact that people don't like that and are pushing back, but I'm willing to bet at a minimum 75% of accounts that you own are training their AI on your data, and it's in their terms of service. If you pick one out, I'll search it.
Fight the planet!
Oh, that's not real, is it? Yeah, that's probably not real. I mean, you're picking out like cybersecurity platforms, but like I'm talking about almost all other accounts. But let's look at HackTheBox. HackTheBox terms is hold on. I wanted to do. I want to see what this costs because I feel like there's other ones. If you can afford this, then go nuts. But this is not in my budget. Oh, $1,000. Oh, okay, that's a 13-inch. Yeah. It shouldn't be a drift. It should be the same. It shouldn't be a drift, in my opinion. I don't know how you measure Apple stuff. Is 24 gigabyte memory good? Oh, that's a Pro. So these are Airs. Yeah, I think my work one is, my work one's 13-inch. I wish it was bigger, but I have it hooked up to monitors, so that's not a big deal. I got 64 gigabytes of memory. It's got a, do Apples have GPUs? It's got a mine has a GPU in it. All right, Frankie. Integrated CPU on one chip. Yeah, so 64 gigabytes. Oh, this is a Pro now. Is there any Airs with 64 gigabytes? I don't see any. So it's hard for me to talk without yawning. It's hard for me to suggest one. Amir, sorry. You need an Apple. You need an Apple person. Spectre, maybe if Spectre is here. Or if Lope had a suggestion. Right on. No, thank you. Okay. You shouldn't be okay with any of it. You shouldn't be. Because the have you ever heard the phrase "an apple a day will keep the doctor away"? That's what Loaf was getting at. What do they call it? There's a privacy policy and a user agreement. Riveting content. Oh, and you know what? We should probably look through the lens of U.S. companies, because HackTheBox would be operating in the EU. So you're going to have stricter controls on your data over there.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
I see it there. Okay. Well, my point is, I hear what you're saying about you feel that the shift has gone from people worrying about what they're doing with their data and who's taking their data to now what companies are training their AI on your data. And my point is, if you have the opportunity, if the company gives you an opportunity that you're interacting with to take your data back or stop processing your data, then you should do that. Oh, I got the local flag last night before I stopped on what am I doing now on OffSec? Payday.
Killer. Killer.
getting nearly everything now that I got your love. 'Cause you're holding on like leaves in the autumn time to my brain. And I don't know what you're doing to me, but I won't mind if you stay. 'Cause I kinda like it, though you got me indecisive without even trying. Always preoccupying, even out of sight. You're never out of mind. Mind. You've taken up all my headspace, and I can't fight off your embrace.
Okay.
Self-control, your love won't let me go.
After enumerating this thing,
It's like I got raided, and the offender took off without any traces. But through the front door of my ran off with everything, it don't take no time wasted.
not local file inclusion IDOR, indirect object reference.
But you erased it and replaced it too. You've taken up all my headspace.
Possible, but also no. Okay. If there's a database on the other end, SQL injection. Oh, I think I'm there.
Of which I'm sure I never had. Oh, my mind keeps on running away. Ever since you came, you've taken up all my headspace, and I can't fight off your embrace. Oh, I have no self-control. Your love won't let me go. Oh, no.
Let's get some SQL injection help. Oh yeah, that's right. Where is? Yep, that's what I'm doing. Where is you got notes. You got notes. Do I have? Oh, I only have 2. Okay, I don't have any kind of SQL indication on what kind of database that I'm interacting with. That's what I'm looking for. I could probably grab this from within Burp now. Seven. Send.
I can hear your voice again. Do I have to keep to push through all this pain? Sometimes I feel I'm lost and
This is specifically for no SQL. No shit. Okay, now that I got it to wait, now that I got it to come back okay, now I need to get that out of it. I know what you're talking about, but I can't remember. I don't do it enough. I feel like I have done it. Let's do the burp. Hey, Ragano. Yeah. Me and Small Beanie Hackers have been keeping me up on what's going on. I haven't been following it too close. But I've been watching some highlights. I haven't been watching any games, no. Anything good I should look up? Theo stare. I told you, I enjoy soccer the way that the show Welcome to Wrexham presents it to me. In a 30-minute format with stories and clips of very exciting parts of the match. Ragano, you know they're 90 minutes long? Right? In 2 halves? That's like a few hours. Oh, it's 90 minutes total. I thought it was 90 minutes per half. And now there's quarters? Look, I never said that I was up on proper football. I watched Small Beanie Hacker for, well, it's closer to 45 minutes now. Or no. An hour now. Just 30 minutes, 25 minutes. It's 25, 30 minutes. Now you're making me feel like I should investigate this now. How long are World Cup matches? $45 minutes a half. And now there's quarters? Now you're sickened because I'm looking it up. I'm trying to do my due diligence. Jesus suffering. I feel like you're overreacting a little bit. I'm starting to get the die. So now there's quarters, or are you fucking with me? You're fucking with me. There's not quarters. I mean, hour and a half's not bad. I feel like I could sit through that. They have to have a water break. Mm. People squirt it into their mouths for them too. See? That's what I'm looking for. I was looking for a cheat sheet. Loaf gets me. Why are you trying to... I'm not... Do I make you feel bad for not watching American football? How long is American football, Ragano? With a question mark. Yeah, you're right, damn it. But it'll be, so that's an hour? Yeah. It'll be 3 hours. Because they stop the clock, and there's ads, and all kinds of bullshit. Because it lasts for 3 days. It's not 3 days. It will typically be 3 hours.
We came, we saw, we kicked its ass. Oh, you're talking about female soccer. Yeah. Female football. Yeah. I will say proper football. They are... Without all the pads and protection gear, they are pretty reckless with their bodies. American football with all their pads and all that other shit, they will. They'll go down if they think they've tweaked something just a little bit. They'll go down. Madden 92, spectacular. I think I have a. No, I have a generic. I have a ripoff. I had a ripoff football game. Real men do play rugby's fucking brutal. Okay, so what you're saying is I need to watch some World Cup. Got it. It's not over yet, is it? No. I mean, we are like twice removed. Like the closest town, I don't believe is having any kind of World Cup games. Like the closest city, the closest major city is not even having any matches. I'll have you know, when she plays, I am a rabid fan when Small Beanie Hackers is playing on the field. Those are fighting words. The U.S. team is looking good when they kick the ball of the sport that they're playing. Oh, well, I'll check it. I'll check some out. today. How do I don't remember how I make the transition from an okay to where the hell was I? I say that a lot. Okay, I am. This is successfully sending it. Now I need to figure out what kind of database I'm working with. Right. Okay. Okay, so even though it's coming back as an okay in the database on the back end, it's a syntax error. Oh, I didn't think about that. Oh, it encoded it for me there. Yeah, I thought 7 was a room. Six. Okay. So I should be using a valid response that gets that. I should start with where the web page is returning a result, an actual result, instead of I was up in this. I was up using 7 to begin with, but make sure the SQL statement ends up being valid. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay. A blank result. Then I've ordered by a column that doesn't exist. So then order by 2, increment. What's happening there? I'm missing it. Hello, Rosie Nebula. The order by 2, I didn't notice anything. So here's 1. I need to wrap my head around. Right. Right. So as it stays valid.
I'm sorry, Dave.
I did.
I'm afraid I
I'm
can't do
trying to
that.
get it in my head. What I'm doing is I'm making the SQL like valid to get a result.
once I order by a column that doesn't exist and you get a blank result, you know that the columns, you know that how many columns there are, and you can move on to union. Rosie Nebula, it's going well. How are you? There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. More in Tagora. Seven. Okay. So it errors because there are not 8 columns. There's 7.
Oh, it's it's sorting them. It's not sorting them. It's from A to Z. Okay. 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 So look, so first thing we were doing is getting our SQL to the comment to work. And then so like this right here. The one no, that helps me. It does. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to go back and do. So like I'm just trying to go back now and Right. And that's my point. I need to step back already and make sure that I'm 6. That one worked. I got it. I got it. What we're trying to do is to make it still, make the syntax, make the SQL still work. Customer, yeah. Right. Right. Because when I'm querying that database on Dark Hotel, it's pulling one record. That room, that one room. So now I want to manipulate this to help me understand.
this chance for one last dance with my shaking hands. I can barely stand. Did I do too much? Did I push you away? I was in a rush, I'm sorry. And I know that you'll forget. I wake up in the night in a cold sweat to face it. Is it over first now before it began? I know it's crazy, but in my mind I had plans. I had plans. Did I lose this chance for one last dance with my shaking hands? I can barely ask. We got runaway plans. Baby, where do you wanna go? I'm scared to, you know, but I'll never let go. Will I find you somehow? I hope you're okay. All those memories in your driveway. Can we turn back time before it flies away? Can I hold on to something?
Yes.
Never thought you would come back. Can't believe
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
we laughed.
6, 7.
Watch the sunset fall through the sky. We were younger, never thought we'd say goodbye. Now we're saying goodbye.
Nat, good morning. How you doing?
Did I lose this chance?
She's first Nolta version.
Shaking hands, I can barely ask. We got runaway plans. Baby, where do you wanna go? I'm scared to, you know, but I'll never let go.
Right, so that's the wrong query for that database. At version. Right. This should be in every SQL terminal and every SQL tutorial. Now change customer ID to customer ID 0 or -1. And remove the its value doesn't exist.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Oh, okay. So so now we're saying, look, give me customer ID 0 that doesn't exist, but then it executes the rest of it and gives us the, oh, hold on. These are the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the second column is the version. Yep. Well, hope you enjoy Dragon Up. That sounds nice. Lake Michigan's beautiful, especially like upper, like the water's like crystal clear. I hope you, whatever you did, hope you enjoyed it. Okay. The Burp browser is easier to work with because it throws in the encoding. But the problem is every time it encodes it, I lose track of the next step. Which is why you have to have a better understanding of it. Can't say that. Well, that would be spectacular. I already know that. 7 doesn't exist. I hear you. That's not a problem. I feel like I should keep it that way. Right. So these are each columns in the database. But where's one? There's 2, 3, 4, 5. One and 6 and 7 are missing. I broke it. Yep. Spectacular. Version worked with the quote, with the parentheses, and I have a Maria database. I'm gonna be in this. I'm gonna be in this lab all day today. Yeah, I'm gonna be in this lab all day today. MariaDB is compatible with MySQL, so any SQLi you find for MySQL should work. Okay. Yep. Thank you. Thanks, Loaf. I'm gonna go back and forth now. Like I can just grab this actually.
Look into my eyes, feel the love intensify, blow like dynamite. Give it all tonight, treat me good, I'll treat you right, let me satisfy. I want your body, just say you want me to. I got nothing else to do.
So at first, how did we know that we had a database on the other end? Because of this COD equals and then a number. And then we were iterating through those numbers. Well, each of the rooms that we were clicking on had a number associated with it. So that's how we knew that's how we figured there was a database on the other end. And then this bit at the end, or 1 equals 1, I feel like that's not database specific. We're just trying to get the these I don't know if it's syntax. We're trying to get the code. We're trying to get the query to come back. Okay, so then we take so I also have to remember I'm in Burp browser, which does the encoding, which helps.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Opinion. Whoop, how you doing? Operating, you're sick of rotating operating systems, scanning fingerprints and eyeballs and plugging in toggles. You're just going to retreat back to the, yeah. Smart. Yeah. You're not wrong, Whoop. There's a lot. There's a lot. Yes. Yeah. Yep. Right on, Whoop. Thank you for the lurk. You're good, man. Hope you're enjoying you're watching any World Cup too. Cool. Oh, okay. I didn't think about that. Yeah, that picture may be. You know what? It's the picture and the stars. I bet are fields 6 and 7. What I mean is I doubt the web server encodes the files and displays them. It's probably just a link to a publicly accessible file like. Yep.
The only way to learn is by playing. The only way to win is by learning, and the only way to begin is by beginning.
So once I get an SQL, once I get it to like I don't have the fucking words. Just the 6 is pulling this room information. This room's information. What I'm trying to do with the 1 or 1 equals 1 is to comment it out. The end of it. So it still returns true. Once I'm at that step, then I'm trying to enumerate tables in the database. It seems like there's a few, right? Because it's all doing the same thing. Dash, dash, space, dash. Right. It's doing the same thing. It's just getting it to so like even if I go back to the example with the right. That turns the query into select all from rooms where COD equals 6 dash dash space dash and is active equals 1 and is deleted equals 0, which actually means right. Okay. Which has removed is active equals 1 and is deleted 0 from queries. Okay, well, I'm not sure where you got the and is active and is deleted from. Okay. Yeah, the SQL comment is a good practice for make sure your query edits aren't going to make invalid queries. Okay. So again, I'm trying to like get the operation, the method of operations like in my head. Like once I get that to comment out, the next step I should be taking is getting the columns, which comes from order by or union select. Order by. Union select is for enumerating. identify SQL injection, find the number of columns, find which columns display which value, use a column value so you can see to exfiltrate data. Right. And the first data you exfiltrated the version of the database server you're using. You know what I think would be a good idea? Is almost having them here. So, for instance, this is commenting it out. Then let's add the comment here. But then go to order by. To I know I'm seeing the columns here, but I should be able to run the order by here. It's together in one large string so you can return them in a single column. I think each one of them is going to have a specific syntax. I'm going to be in this all day long. Thanks for the Vork loaf. Nope, no problem. Yeah, I'm almost at that point, so no problem. Thanks again for the help. Yep. Tiberius is pretty extensive. That's what I'm looking for at here behind my big head. But I'm not quite there yet. I'm still working through the order of operations, and I want to get it sorted out here on this. No problem. Whoop. Oh, that's why we like the number in there. That's why we like the number in there.
Took your time to get here, tell me what you want. I know what you're thinking, are we really on? Tell me how it feels and baby, come on, come on. See you now coming, taking me on. Take me to the deep end, run and jump off. Tell me how it feels and baby, come on, come on.
Ah, Thank you, Loaf. What I was trying there. I'm 91 records. Doesn't matter. The middle line is your injection point. COD equals, right? Okay. Right. order by is sorting the columns. So if you are passing order by to a column that doesn't exist, then you get an error. So that's how you're identifying how many columns there are. Commenting and getting it to pass. Commenting it and getting it to pass. Where its query is only pulling in the one. So this is like it pulling in the single. This is like pulling in the single room. Right. Now that it's pulling in the single room and commenting itself out, you look for the columns. You look for the columns by passing a sort, order by sort. You increment up until it passes it to a column that doesn't exist, and then that's when you get the error. Spectacular. And then, right, once you know how many columns you have, then you move from order by to union select, and then that's when you are you look for the version next. You look for the type of database you're working with next. Yep. I'm going to be here all day, and that is totally fine. Okay. Oh, I successfully put enough people to sleep today. I'm going to be here all day. Maybe in the Discord today. But I'm going to be on this all day today. Oh. Okay, let's find someone. Oh, avocado's on. Huge fan of the grind. Really? That's not right. I mean, the chatters are right, but that stream summary for everything else is 68 hours. It's from something else. There we go. Hey. Good stream this morning. I got something to keep me busy for the rest of the day now. I started ending the stream with a quote that my son gave me because he heard me trying to end the stream last time. It goes like this. The best time to plant the tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Get started. Thank you all for hanging out. Loaf, thank you for the help. Whoop, good to see you. Dragonov, good to see you. Dragonov, Ragano, Loaf, Pure. Have a great day. Right on, Dragonov. Tell Avocado we say hello. Be nice. Learning live.
Well, it started because the tech companies use my code for interviews. Oh, welcome, Theo. Thanks for the raid. How are you? Welcome, Raiders. How was your stream, Theo? Right, anyway, I was saying it's just work that, like, it was for interview preparation, and then when I wanted to start streaming.
Sick.
And I thought, and
I just rated Avocado. Have a great day.
So I started streaming it.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Hold on. Did I catch you all? I just rated Avocado.
Okay, so
I don't know if I caught everyone. Did I catch everyone? Did I catch the raid?
How have you been, Theo? What have you been up to outside of streaming and work? You watch any fun shows or like movies or do anything fun?
I just missed. Yeah. Some of y'all. Hello, Raiders. I'm trying to watch the numbers. I don't think I caught everyone.
Oh my god, thank god.
I tried. As soon as I heard the raid thing, I clicked start streaming again, and I'm probably gonna wreck someone's streaks.
Yeah, what went wrong?
No. You'll have that.
1/2 should be 0.
How many people are here? It doesn't look like. It looks like. It doesn't look like I caught everyone.
Wait, how did the other ones? Oh yeah,
I just ended.
That's fine.
If I'd have found something else to do, I didn't catch everyone. Hey, Wolf. I'm about to end again.
Hockey. So I get this over with.
Yep.
All right.
I missed it.
We did it.
That's crazy.
Let me take a look at your solution once more though. Be fine.